Welcome back, this is Lynn. Today we'll start with an introduction into note value. It follows with some exercises to help memorizing them. Then we'll be talking about the difference between beats and tempo. Then I'll give you some examples based on your homework from last week to really understand it. And leave some new homework for this week. If you like my lessons, please subscribe and hit the bell so that you won't miss any sessions. Alright, let's start. Last time, we only saw this. It's called a whole note. If we put a stem on it, it becomes a half note. A whole note is equal to two half notes. If we fill out the note head, it becomes a fourth note. A half note equals two fourth notes. If we put a tail on a fourth note, it becomes an eighth note. Two eighth notes makes a fourth note. And if they are written together, they will be often combined with a line. Divide an eighth note into two, that is a 16th note, and the 16th note can also be combined with two lines. You can put more tails on the stem, just divide the note value by 2. Here I've summarized them as an overview for you. These are the common notes value for most of the songs. Here are some exercises. Pause the video and try to do it by yourself. It is actually basic mathematics. Once you remember the notes value, you can solve this easily. Answers will be shown in a few seconds. Now that we've learned the note value, we need to know how to arrange them in a bar. Here comes to the beat. The beat is written at the beginning of a song, directly after the clefs. The numerator indicates how many beats there will be within the bar, and the denominator specifies the value of each beat. A 4/4 beat means a fourth note presents one beat, and there will be 4 beats in a bar. Let's have a look. We just learned 2 fourth notes equal 1 half note, and 2 half notes equal a whole note. Let's see another example. This is 3/8 beat, so it means we will have 3 beats in a bar, and an eighth note presents a beat. On the upper left side of a music sheet, you'll sometimes see a number written after a note. That is for the tempo. The number indicates how many beats should be played within a minute. If you have a digital piano, a metronome is normally built in. You can certainly use a mechanical one, or any apps will work just fine. Many songs either don't have a required tempo, or it is written in some Italian, such as adagio or allegro. Well, that will be another lesson. Now let's hear the homework from last week. See if you've done it right. I've made some changes to the note value. See if you can hear any difference. Here's another variation. I like this one the most. That's it for today. It is a lot of content, so make sure you understand it properly. Note value and beats are fundamentals in music theory. With that knowledge, you can produce your own music pieces. I'll put a link under the description with homework and some notes of this lesson. If you have any questions, unclarities or requirements, just leave a comment. If this video helps you, thumbs up. I'll see you next week. Bye bye.